This message was brought to you by the White House. A lot of reports of people seeing a red head has been reported. Please lock all doors and windows if you hear the red head outside your house. If you hear the red head outside your house, then do not go outside. Going outside when the red head is outside your house can cause it to kill you. This red head has been discovered in North Dakota, Ohio, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and California. But don't worry. Please dial 911.